Hey Robert, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today. And this is that video that I promised you, showing you what you can do today so you can start getting those leads organically without paying for those expensive lead services. So as you can see, we are on your website. Looks like you have a good website. You have a good amount of content, which is awesome. So, the rule of thumb is you want to have about 1,500 words of content, or 150 words for every buyer intent keyword you're trying to target. Your keywords should be buyer intent and location based. And you should have pages for every single one of your services and service areas with the right content and buyer intent keywords, because Google has robots called crawlers that search the internet and index each of your pages looking for your content and buyer intent keywords so that they can get you in front of your customers. So it's really important to work on your keyword and content strategy. So here's your top competitor in your area, Restoration Doctor. They also have a nice website and a good amount of content. So you want to make sure that you have more content than your top competitors and that you do have a page for each of your services and service areas. If we jump over here and look into Ahrefs, this is a program we use to analyze how a website is performing. And as you can see here, you have a rank of an 8 in Google's trust flow, and that has everything to do with your backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal, and you only have 32, so you need a lot more backlinks and you need more authoritative backlinks. And because of your content, you're only being indexed for 3 keywords, so you're seeing 0 people on average every month to your website. But if we look at your competitor, they have a domain rating of a 50, and that's because they have over 6,000 backlinks, and because they're being indexed for over 542 keywords because of each of their service areas. They're seeing almost 500 people every month to their website out of thousands of potential customers. So there's a lot of room here for you to capture some of these customers. Now, a backlink is when one website links to another website and drives traffic to the website. But not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that they are relevant to your services and industry and that they're of high authority. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest, and it will help you actually boost your rankings in Google. And your content, keywords, and backlinks all go together. And so you need these on each of your pages so that you can be found in each of your service areas for each of the services you provide. And the last thing I want to show you real quick is something called citations. When a customer puts a search in Google, you'll usually see some ads, and then you're going to see the Google Map Pack. And your goal should be to be in the top 3 of the Map Pack or Google My Business page. It's a very competitive spot. And in order to be in the top 3, there's several different factors, but the main one is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, and LinkedIn. So you need to have a lot more of those than your top competitors. And if you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become number 1 across Google, not just for your homepage, but for all of your service pages and service areas. I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is free education. I just ask that you give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you do decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done so you can get those organic leads and stop paying for those expensive lead services, go ahead and either reply to my email or give me a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.